Welcome to Vegan Method. I'm looking at tofu in this video. Tofu has been around for thousands of years, but I've only been using it for a couple of months. So in this video I'm going to give you 5 ways to flavour it, because tofu needs a strong bold flavour. With tofu you get a good amount of protein. It's 14 grams per 80 grams. It's low in carbohydrates and low in fat. You may have seen in some of my other videos that I've started to use tofu in curries as a meat replacement. I'm going to make a marinade and put the tofu in the marinade. With each recipe I've used the tofu press to ensure any liquids comes out of the tofu, and then we can put flavour in. Number 1 is sambal oelek chili sauce. It's a garlic chili mix and goes really well in curries or Chinese dishes. Number 2 is a soy sauce and sesame oil mixture. It soaks really well into the tofu and goes perfectly in Asian dishes. Number 3, Thai red curry paste. This flavour is very bold. It goes great in curries and can also give salad a bit of a kick. Number 4, panko breadcrumbs with onion and garlic powder. This gives a good strong flavour, and if it's baked in the oven gives you a crispy coating on the tofu. 5 is balsamic vinegar. This soaks extremely well into the tofu and retains its flavour. This goes well in salads and soups. That's tofu 5 ways. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe and leave comments below.